Welcome back, friends and frenemies. We sure appreciate all the love and support and hate alike. It both motivates us and inspires us to go a little bit faster. This is our 66 El Camino we're back on today. We show y'all what's been happening with them. Got us a set of brand new Cooper Cobras all the way around. Some 235 70-15s in the front, 275 60-15s in the back. That's just to get us kind of moving around on our new stuff. Still haven't addressed our brakes, but that's kind of what this video is about. Oh yeah, she still got this. Alright, so let's see what we're going to do. This is where it's going to begin, on our front end, right here. This is going to be our list of characters for the day. Big brand new sway bar, twice as thick as the original. Nice poly bushes to go with it. All Dan American coilovers for the front. Tubular A-arms, 2-inch drop. Wheelwood disc brakes, both sides. Close ratio gearbox. Wheelwood power brake booster and a vacuum canister. And while we're going to be knocking it around on this old 350, getting our suspension up to date, we're going to go ahead and add us a brand new set of hooker headers. Something I've been wanting to put on this car since the 90s. And some like headman cutouts. And while we're addressing everything, we're going to change every bushing on this car. Everything's going to be poly. Everything, through and through. Alright, so we're going to start off with this old girl. First thing we're going to do, jack her up, get her where we can work her, pull the whole front cap off. We're going to pull the whole front cap off. That's going to give us access to all our control arms, our motor. We will drop the headers and give us a chance to paint everything and get it all nice. Alright, y'all stand by. Here we go. Alright, this is where we at. Got our front cap off. Got everything cleaned up. Now we're going to start disassembling. We're going to drop all these control arms, get all our old suspension out the way, get our exhaust manifolds out the way, start installing our headers, start coming back with all our new front end parts. Alright, here we go.
It used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon.
Y'all come saw. There we are, peeps. A little update where we at. We got our old motor cleaned up real good. Got them all detailed up. Got our front cap off. Got our headers installed. Our sway bar on. Our upper and lower tubular control arms. Our spindles. Our badass coilovers. Yep. Coming right along. Coming right along. Got some more surprises on the back for you guys. Be here in a minute. This breaks. This breaks indeed. Oh, check that out, y'all. Look at that stance. Wow. That's exactly what we were looking for. Look how those meats tuck under the back. Look at that. Got our new steering box on. Got our new center link. New alarm, new pitman arm, new tie rods, all greased up, ready to go. Got us a little shade tree mechanic alignment done. Got our nice calipers and rotors on. Looking real nice. Can't wait. to see how she rolls. Look at that stance. Got our master cylinder on. Brand new brake booster on. All we gotta do is finish plumbing our lines and we'll be ready to move around the yard. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all come back and check us out on the next little episode because we'll be doing some real cool stuff on the back. Got some brand new inner fenders, brand new radiator support, and a big old brand new Griffin radiator coming in. That's gonna be fun. Y'all hang out and we'll see y'all on the next one.